Hello everyone, I am Hemant and in this video I am going to explain some of the Docker networking concepts. So those are bridge, host and overlay. So first I will explain what we mean by bridge networking. Okay. So the concept, this is the default. Every container lives in its own apartment inside a large building. Okay. So I will explain this explanation with one example. So you have one laptop, so that is your host. In that laptop you are running one container. So every container is like a one space, so that has own processes like that. So you need to, in order to run that container, so you need to map the port number of your laptop into the port number of your container. For example, so just imagine you want to run a container for nginx image. So okay, so that nginx is going to open at port number 80, so that is http protocol port number, that is 80. So that port number is 80. So in order to run that page into the port number 80, so you need to map in between the port number of your laptop into port number of that container image. To do this, first you need to install a Docker engine in your laptop. So the work of that Docker engine is that it will map the port number of your laptop and port number of your container imagine. So for example, suppose if you just write http localhost 8080, so after that response will go to the container port 80. So this is all about bridge networking. Okay, and after that, host networking. So in bridge networking, specifically we need to tell to Docker engine to please map the port number of your laptop and port number of your container. But in host networking, you don't need to tell the Docker engine to map the port number of your laptop and port number of your container. So it will run automatically, so there is no need of telling to the Docker engine that so please map this port number into the specific port number of your container. So the last one, so that is overlay networking. So just imagine, so in bridge networking, I am talking only about one laptop and one container. So the thing and scenario is, what if you want to run 10 different containers at 10 different laptops? So for that you need to build top of the layer, so so that all the 10 containers can feel like we are in a same laptop. So for that you are going to use overlay networking. So what this overlay networking is will do is that, so it will create one tunnel. So with the help of that, all the containers can feel like we are in same network. Okay, so and another thing is that, so this overlay networking concepts is used in Kubernetes as well. So this is all about Docker networking, a bridge, host and overlay. So in bridge, we need to tell the Docker engine to please map this port number of laptop into port number of your container. In host, there is no need to tell the Docker engine to. So please map this port number of laptop to a port number of a container. So by using overlay networking, we will create a tunnel for multiple containers so that containers can feel like we are in same network. This is all about Docker networking. Thank you.